Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again, and today we are going to prepare fresh homemade sambar powder or the sambar masala. And though it's a simple task, yet it will give you incredible results with that deep aromatic flavor which is much more beautiful than what you would buy at the store. So let's begin the recipe. So for this I've taken this white pan and we are going to dry roast a few whole spices. So first up in a pan, I'm going to add 6 to 8 dried Kashmiri red chilies and dry roast them for about 2 to 3 minutes over low to medium flame or until they release their nice aroma and changes its color slightly to brown, and it should release a pungent smoky aroma. This will take about 2 minutes, and once that is done, then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds and a tablespoon of cumin seeds, that is zira. Next I'm adding 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds or rye, and again cook these whole spices again on low to medium flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. So friends, today I'm preparing a small quantity, that's why I'm adding all the whole spices in one pan. But in case if you're planning to make a large quantity or in a bigger batch, then what you have to do in that case, you will have to individually roast all the dry spices, because every spices have a different cooking time. That's the reason you need to do individually. But today, as I'm making in a small batch, as I told you, I'm preparing everything in one pan. So these are nicely done. Next I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Urad Dal, 1 tablespoon of Chana Dal and 2 teaspoons of rice, whichever you use in the house, and roast these as well for another 2 more minutes or until they are slightly golden brown in color. Do not turn them very dark. These are also nicely done. Next I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of Fenugreek Seeds or the methi dana, half a teaspoon of black peppercorns or about 8 to 10 black peppercorns, few slices of dry coconut. You can also use a handful of desiccated coconut if you have handy, followed by 12 to 15 curry leaves, fresh curry leaves, and this will give a very nice aroma and taste to the sambar masala, and this is a very important ingredient. And again toss everything well on low flame for about 2 to 3 more minutes. So all the masalas are nicely roasted. Now switch off the flame and let them cool down a bit, and once cooled, transfer them into a blender, and then I'm going to blend it just for a while. And you can see this beautiful and aromatic powder, this sambar powder is ready. So right now it is slightly coarse. I'm adding a few more spices in it. So in goes 1/4 teaspoon of hing or Asafoetida, followed by a pinch of turmeric powder, and again blend everything well. And that's the perfect looking fine powdered sambar powder or the sambar masala ready. You can see this consistency and the texture. You can store in any airtight container and it stays good for months if you store it in the fridge. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this recipe today. You can use this for your rasam, for your idlis, or for your vada, or even for making sambar. So if you enjoyed watching the recipe today, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.